Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Custom Spray Mods. Now in this video I'm going to be using the Alsa Easy Chrome. You've probably seen the video online. There's a black fuel tank and it's gloss black. The guy in the video brushes the chrome on and it looks hazy and then it clears up and looks like real reflective proper chrome. So I'm using that exact same product today. So I've got the Alsa Easy Chrome base coat and I've got the Easy Chrome. I'm also going to try it in the spray can form. I'm going to try it on a few different things. I've got these plastic speed shapes I'm going to do some testing on. I've also got a push bike helmet, a motorcycle helmet, and I'm also going to use a bumper bar from a car like this. I'm going to paint that in the chrome and then compare it to a bumper bar that I've already got that's chrome. We can see the difference from the painted chrome and the real chrome. Check it out. So the first step to getting this awesome chrome painted finish is to get a great gloss black base coat. The base coat needs to be gloss and dry. So I'm going to spray these parts in a gloss black from this aerosol can, then we'll move on to the next step. I'm also going to apply the chrome paint to this bumper bar. I'm going to spray this push bike helmet in the chrome paint. I'm also going to spray this motorcycle helmet in the Alsa chrome paint. Now I'm going to start preparing the bumper bar. This has got a silver paint on it that's not too good condition. I'm going to sand it with some 320 grit sandpaper on this machine. Then I'm going to spray some 2K etch primer. This is going to help my paint stick. Now I'm going to spray some of the Alsa gloss black base coat. This is a 2-pack base coat, so I've mixed it with hardener, and that's going to dry super shiny and glossy. It's going to be a good base for my chrome paint. I've allowed the part to dry for about 3 days. Now I'm ready to start spraying the top coat. The Easy Chrome is ready for use. That means just put it straight into a spray gun and spray it on the job. You don't need to mix it with anything else, just straight into a gun and spray it. I'm using a 1mm mini spray gun and I'm spraying